The book form we're about to show you is inspired by a poem, Inquiry Method, that Lisa Bickmore wrote and read at SLCC's convocation in 2015. It describes students coming to community college with their dreams held close, like an amulet they almost dare to believe in. The book form expresses the idea of an amulet of hope in its hidden secrets, the slow reveal of its contents, and its folded shape that can fit into the palm of your hand. Add your hopes and dreams, then fold it up and hold it close. So we're going to show you how it's made. Charlotte here is folding the paper into a grid of 3 columns. You can measure if you like, but you can also use the eyeball method that Charlotte's showing here. So there are 3 columns. Next, we're going to fold the paper diagonally both ways, so you have an X across the middle of the sheet. The folds there will serve as a guide for when you fold the row folds. You can see here that you can use the points that Charlotte's showing to help guide your set of folds that make the rows. So once you have that creased nice and crisply, turn it over so that you can see all the folds pointing upward. Charlotte's showing you the lateral squares, which you're going to use to make diagonal folds simply within the square. So you point at the lower corner and fold over to the opposite lower corner within the square only, so that you're creating diagonals within the square. You're going to do this for all 4 lateral side squares. I'm going to just turn the paper a quarter turn between each one. And here's the last. Okay, so now you flip the paper over so that the folds you've just made are pointing up. That means they're mountain folds. And we're going to use this clever little technique to create a pinwheel. It's going to be tricky, but the papers and the folds are durable, so you can experiment a little bit. So now you have this pinwheel shape. On the reverse side, you've got that square, enclosed square. Turn it back so you have the open square facing up, and you fold the points of the pinwheel up. And I'm going to turn the paper a quarter turn between each fold. Each fold covers the previous point. And you're going to do this last one, and then here's the last little tricky bit. You take that point, you open up that pocket so that you can tuck in that point. That creates the amulet that encloses whatever you choose to put inside. Voila!